Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing well and having a great time at your home. This is your teacher Rosina of subject Social Studies for class 6. From today we are going to start a new session and we will be starting with the new chapter. So let's start with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial. So today we will be starting with our first chapter of Unit 1, that is Physical Geography. It is on your page number 2 of the textbooks. So the first topic is, what is geography? I hope you all know what geography is. It is, you can say, it is the study of the places or of all the physical properties or all the physical features of the earth. Whenever a person studies the physical features like mountains, rivers, oceans, and deserts, and all the things and all the physical features that are present on the earth, that is known as the study of geography, while geography means all the physical features on the earth. So geography is the study of places, the physical properties of earth, and the relationships of people and the land they live on. So how is the relationship of the human beings to the physical environment around them, right? For example, people living on the mountainous regions, they will have different type of their living. They will have different living as compared to the people who are living on the seashores or on the coastal areas or on the plain regions, right? So the geography is study of all the physical features of the earth and the relationship of the human beings or of the people or of all the living things, the relationship of the all living things with their environment. So it deals with all the physical elements of geography, and it studies, and the geography also studies that how does these all physical features like mountains and plain regions and plateaus, and how these all regions are made, and how does it affects our environment, right? So all the elements all the natural elements are being studied under the geography. On the next page you can see that there is a table on page number 3, the physical geography. So we have different physical geographies. For example, we have different physical elements, like we have rocks and minerals, landforms, soils, animals, plants, water, atmosphere, rivers and other water bodies, and environment and the oceans. So these are all the physical properties, physical features, and they come under the physical geography. Then we will discuss about how is our relationship with the environment, right? The environment has a great effect on our lives. For example, if God forbid, if there is a lack of water, if we do not have water to drink, so what will happen? Our life will end. Similarly, if we do not have water, the water is not only used for drinking, it is also used for cultivation, for growing of the crops. So if we do not have water, we will be not having the fields, we will not be able to cultivate the crops, we will not be able to eat the food, just because we will not be having the water. And if we will not have the water, we will not be having the fields and the crops, right? So the environment we live in is the most important element for us to survive. For example, if we run out of the water, we would die, right? Similar is the case that in geography, the geography helps us to estimate or to give us an idea that are we going to lack water or not, right? For example, if in summers, if it happens that if there are no rains, right, there is no rainfall, so what happens if there is the lack of water? So the rivers and the seas and the oceans, they start to dry. So if they start to dry, the geography, the study of these physical features, they will tell us that we have to store the water that is